how to use Obsidian Mobile App for beginners. First of all, install the Obsidian Mobile App, and once the app is installed, tap on the icon to open it on your screen. Once the app opens, you'll see two options: create a wallet or use your existing wallet. As a new user, select Create a Wallet. Next, it will ask if you want to access your notes on other devices. You'll need to set it up, so tap on Setup Sync, and from this page, select the device you're going to use and tap on Use Obsidian Sync. After that, you'll be asked to sign up as a new user by tapping Sign Up. So tap on it, and a new page will appear where you need to enter your email. Next, it will ask for your full name and a strong password. Make sure to include special characters and digits to make a strong password and tap Sign Up. You'll receive a confirmation email. Open it and verify your account. After confirming your email, you'll land on your homepage, and here we will explore all its features. In the center, tap Create a New Note. You'll go to a new page where you can name your note. I will enter a random name for this demonstration. Below, in the body section, you can add text, lists, or any content you want. At the bottom of this page, you'll see a toolbar that lets you customize your page. Use it to format or organize your content. After that, tap the three dots in the top right. Here you'll find options like backlinks, reading view, and more. Check them all one by one. If you want to delete the note, at the bottom, tap Delete File and then confirm your action to remove it. Your note will be deleted. Back to the home page, tap the top right icon to open the sidebar. In the sidebar, you can see options at the bottom. Tap this icon, and it will take you to a new note page that we already explored. Next, tap the plus icon, and it will add a new note in this sidebar, as you can see. If you tap the upward arrow, you can organize notes by file name or time. Also, you will find the gear icon. Tap on that, and it will open the settings page on your screen. Here you'll see a list of settings options, including core plugins that help you organize your work. Once you've explored settings, go back to the home page, and from the bottom menu, you can find any note if you've created one. Tap the plus icon to create a new note if needed. If you tap this icon, it will open all tabs on this page, and if you want to add a new one, tap the plus icon at the bottom left side, and we are in a new tab. Next, tap the three lines. A new menu will appear where you can access options like the quick switcher, graph view, and more. If you select Insert Template, it will open the template library, and you can apply a template to organize your notes. And that's it. This is how you fully use Obsidian on your mobile device to organize all your notes.